Right now, some families are having flashbacks from Hurricane Irma. Many homes along the Alafaya River in South Hillsborough are now surrounded by floodwater. News Channel 8's Corey Davis joining us live in Valrico. He is along Lithia Pinecrest Road, and I see a canoe behind you there. I guess that's common sight these days.
Yeah, it's unfortunately very common. Take a look here, Keith. The water just gets deeper and deeper, and you have this man here. He told us earlier that he actually went around to check on his sister who's having to move stuff from below her home. And I want to show you over here, too. People are used to the flooding, but they say all of this water out here at this time of year is much different than what they're used to. Right now, there are only two ways to get around some areas along the Alafaya River. Cosimo Bianchi chose to walk through the water to his home on River Road.
We just have to wait and hope that it's not gonna be worse.
This high schooler can't help but think about the devastating flooding after Hurricane Irma last year.
We were completely surrounded from the water, and we just couldn't reach the house with the boat. And it was crazy. It was crazy. I remember that.
Right now, the water is expected to rise at least another few inches above flood stage overnight. With the water rising slowly, this is a major threat to a lot of people. Hillsborough County crews are taking it seriously. See here, putting in road underwater signs on streets that are now flooded. When your property is flooded, sometimes you have to get creative with ways to get around.
I'm taking my items from downstairs upstairs. We made it through Irma, so we'll be okay.
Many people in the area believe the flooding is happening more often and are surprised to see it like this right now at a time when it's usually dry.
It's fine 355 days a year. It's those other 10 that it's a little inconvenience. But you live down here, you plan for it.
And as the water creeps closer and closer, a couple we spoke with not long ago tell us that they had to rebuild their house after Hurricane Irma because of the damage. We'll have that part of the story for you tonight at 6. Live in Hillsborough County, Corey Davis, News Channel 8.